Good morning, Kamya. Kamya, send the link in the group, beta. Send the link in the group, Kamya. Good morning, Aini. Good morning, Kamya. Good morning, Shri Bhavani, Dharini, Himlata, Shivatsan. Good morning, beta. Good morning, everyone. We have to start the class beta fast today. Good morning, Tawfiq. Good morning, beta. Send the link in the group and tell them to join fast, beta. Okay, Logita. Good morning, beta. Good morning, Kamya. Saran. Yes, beta. Today number of terms no auntie. Yes, correct only. Good morning, Janani. Good morning, Nandini. Good morning, Mohan. Good morning, Kaushika. Okay, let's start the class, beta. So today first thing is that, beta, last class we have understood about sequence, beta. Now today what we are going to do is we will see that, beta, what is the nth term of the sequence. Means, beta, in the beginning if terms are written as A1, A2, A3, A4, then, beta, what will be nth term? That means nth term is there. Then what will be the value of nth term? So nth term, that is called as nth term from the beginning. Nth term from the beginning. This is exactly called as nth term from the beginning. Nth term from the beginning. Nth term from the beginning is beta an. Okay, and then, beta, if somebody will say that what will be nth term from the end. Okay, so nth term from the beginning and nth term from the end. This is exactly very important to remember. Nth term, Prathamesh, good morning, beta. Now look here, nth term from the beginning and nth term from the end. These two are very important part, beta. Nth term from the beginning and nth term from the end. Both the formulas will be different, beta. Now look here, nth term from the beginning if somebody will say, then you just say that, okay, A1, A2, A3, A4 till an term is there. So from the beginning if I am going to take, then, beta, here an will be equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. That means directly we will write that, beta. But that means what? If any sequence is going on, the sequence is going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and somebody told, okay, find what is the nth term of this sequence. That means nth term of the sequence will become A plus n minus 1 into d. That means, beta, nth term of this sequence is A is what? 1. Then number of term is n minus 1. Common difference is 2 minus 1, 1 only. So nth term will be n minus 1 plus 1. So nth term will be n only, beta. Because minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. So this nth term we got from the beginning, beta. We got from the beginning. But if somebody will tell, find the nth term from the end, then what formula we are going to use? Find the nth term from the end. Then at that time, beta, we will be writing what is the last number. L is the last number. That means in that case, beta, we will be needing the last number, and formula will be nth term from the end will be L minus n minus 1 into d. Nth term from the end is L minus n minus 1 into d. What is L? L is exactly the last term. Okay, for getting the last term beta, L is what? L is the last term, means L is the last term means the last number, that if it is there with us, then we will be find the nth term from the end, then L minus n minus 1 into D. Good morning Rahul. L minus n minus 1 into D. Okay, that is last term. That means what formula beta you are going to write? You will be writing L minus n minus 1 into D. L minus n minus 1 into D. Then it will definitely confuse you beta. That means how auntie has written this part. She has written that nth term from the end is L minus n minus 1 into D. So auntie, can you solve one question and tell me? I know my children, they will be having confusion here. So let's see one question beta. Question is, find the sixth term. Find the sixth term from the end of the AP. From the end of the AP. Sixth term from the end means this time beta the sequence is there. Now you have to check sequence from opposite side. Okay, so first see the sequence and then I'll tell you what you have to do. 17 is there beta, 14 is there, and then beta 11 is there, and so on, and minus 40 is there. That means this time this sequence is there and they are telling beta find the sixth term from the end. From the end here means this is the sequence and they are telling find the sixth term from the end. That means this time we don't have to go from here, we have to go from this side. And when we are going from this side, that means this will become, this minus 40 will become our last term. So last term is becoming minus 40. Now we have to find common difference beta. How to find common difference? 14 minus 17. Common difference finding will be same beta. 14 minus 17 is exactly equal to minus 3. Now beta, sixth term from the end. Sixth term, that is A6 is equal to L minus 6 minus 1 into D. Formula is what beta? For nth term from the end. Nth term, an. Nth term from the end is L minus n minus 1 into D. Here they have asked sixth term. So sixth term from the end will be exactly, okay, very good, super. So sixth term from the end will be coming beta L minus 6 minus 1 into D. So here this one will become beta L minus 5D. Now what is L? L is minus 40 minus 5 into how much it is coming? D is exactly beta minus 3. L is minus 40. I am going to repeat generally. Just see this part better, then I will explain this part. So minus 40 plus 15. So here 10 minus 5 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. So minus 25. So answer will come beta minus 25. Check here one more time. See, just simple part generally. Simple beta. Don't take it too tough, like just don't, we will not be thinking about it. I will be teaching you from the beginning now. From the beginning means another one example I am going to give. So somebody, always you are finding nth term from the beginning. Beta, that means what? Yesterday what we have done, I told you, okay, find nth term for this from the beginning. Beta, when I am telling you nth term, that itself is telling that you are finding nth term from the beginning. From the beginning. So here A is exactly 2. Common difference is exactly what beta? Common difference is exactly, so I have given it till here equal to 200. Fine. To 200 I have given. Now I told that common difference is coming to. Now I told find the 10th term. And then second question is find the 10th term from the end. There is a big difference in this beta. There is a big difference. If somebody will tell you find the 10th term, that means beta from forward you are going. Find the 10th term means they have not told from the end, that means directly you have to proceed beta forward. But if they will write this statement, find the 10th term from the end, that means this time what you have to check beta? This time you have to check end. From end you have to go and search the 10th term. And here find the 10th term. So here if they will give find the 10th term, that means you have to go directly. So for first part you have to go forward. For second part beta, you have to, for second part you have to go, for the second part you have to go backward beta. I hope you might have understood. Now understood Janani? So forward one answer, can anybody tell me what will be the answer for the forward case? You know A is 2, D is 2. So what will be A 10th term? Formula will be A plus 10 minus 1 into D. So here beta 10th term A is 2 plus 9 into 2. So definitely beta 2 plus 18. So it will come 20. So first part of the question very easy to do. Now what will be second part of the question? For second part of the question, 10th term from the end we need last term. Last term here is 200. Our formula is nth term from the end is equal to L minus n minus 1 into D. Means if we are going from here and we are finding nth term from the end, nth term from the end, nth term from the end. If we are finding beta nth term from the end, everyone in the sequence, where 5 came beta? Oh, just don't write this one. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. Now in this sequence beta an is equal to L minus 1 into D. So here an is equal to L minus 1 into D. That means beta first you have to check from last term if they are telling. But here which term they are wanting from the last? 10th term from the last. Means you have to go exactly here backward. So for going backward we need last term. Last term is 200 minus how many terms? 10. 10 minus 1, common difference is 2. So this one will become 200 minus 9 into 2. So definitely beta 200 minus 18. So here 10 minus 8 is exactly 2. 9 minus 1 is 8. So definitely beta here it is coming 182. 182. It will come 182. Saran, what happened, Saran? Tell me, beta, Saran, what happened? Hey, Saran gave some 182. Absolutely correct. No problem, beta. No problem. 182. 200 minus that part will come 182. Beta, did you understood here? So from the beginning, I wrote 180. Oh, that's why it is coming beta 182. It is coming 182. I hope everybody understood this part beta. What you have to do here. So exactly beta forward going. Forward going means you have to exactly use the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That means if you are going in the sequence like this. But if you are coming from end, then formula will become an is equal to L minus n minus 1 into d. I hope from the end if you are writing, then formula will become this one. an equal to L minus n minus 1 into d. No, Akshaya, common difference remains same, Akshaya. Don't go for common difference minus 2 beta. Common difference will be coming 2. Take common difference 2 only. Common difference 2 only beta. Common difference will come 2 only. Common difference will not come, not change. Akshaya, one time you have written the common difference na beta. That's why beta very cleverly I have given you this question. Why? Because you see in both section I have taken common difference same. You see here beta, for solving this question also I have taken common difference 2. Here also common difference 2. So either you go forward or backward, common difference will not change. Once you have got the common difference, same common difference you are going to apply. Now children, any question related to this? Quickly ask, because now we will go for solving CBSE questions, CBSE pattern questions. So beta, quickly first ask, any doubt is related to this one is here. One you are going forward, one you are going backward beta. And I want you all to just first understand this part beta. Is Renu there in the group? Renu, good morning Renu. Shri Bhavani, Nandini. Bhavani is there, she said me good morning itself. No doubt. Okay. Arif, Ajay. Now question. I'm going to give question, beta. Now question is, where is Rahul? Rahul ready? Everyone ready? Understood, beta? Okay. Logita understood, beta? Now what type of question? Good morning, Sinchan. Good morning, Akash. Now look here. Show that the sequence so that the sequence so that the sequence 9, 12, 15, 18 and so on is in AP. First part. Second part, they are telling find its 16th term. Find its 16th term and the general term. Very good. Okay. Now we have to solve this question. Solve this question. They are telling that show that the sequence is in AP. First part, find its 16th term and general term. Find its 16th term. Oh Janani, it is exactly buffering for you. No beta, from here it is not buffering. Find its 16th term and general term, beta. Try this question out. Try this question out, Rahul. Everyone try this question out, beta. Very good. So fast, Kartika. Okay. Is this sequence in AP? How to check? What is the first term? A is exactly equal to 9. Common difference is second term minus first term. 19 minus 12 minus 9 is 3. Then third term minus second term. Third term minus second term is 15 minus 12 is also coming 3. So here, since second term minus first term equal to third term minus second term, therefore the sequence is in AP. The sequence is in AP. The sequence is in AP. Absolutely correct. Now next beta, they are telling 16th term. 16th term means A plus 16 minus 1 into D. That is A is what? 9 plus 15 into common difference is 3. That is 9 plus 3, 5, 15, 45. So here 9 plus 1, 10, 54 is coming. Absolutely correct beta. Then they are asking find the general term. General term means AN. Whenever they will be using this word na beta, general term. General term is nothing but AN. AN is the general term, means the nth term is the general term. The nth term is the general term. Then general term is exactly this is the general term. So I am just writing general term is the nth term, so that you will always remember this one beta. General term is the nth term. Now beta, here AN is equal to A is 9 plus n minus 1 into 3. So what is the general term you are going to get beta? AN is equal to 9 plus 3n minus 3. So here 6 plus 3n. The general term is coming 6 plus 3n. 6 plus 3n. The general term is coming 6 plus 3n. Beta, general term finding is very important. Janani, everyone, general term finding is very important beta. And the general term here is 6 plus 3n. So I hope you might have understood now beta how to find the general term. Exactly what you have done here. First beta, you got the 16th term. Easy. First you have checked that it is in AP or not. Then you got 16th term. Then beta, you have got nth term. What is the nth term formula? Nth term formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. Nth term formula is A plus anti-race. Okay, very good. AP 16 term 54, nth term is 6 plus 3n. Absolutely correct beta. It will be 6 plus 3n. So I just want all of you to just remember this section, how to handle beta. Now we will be, I'm giving you race question. See, look here, first you have to check beta. One very important thing is, now middle term of an AP. Before middle term, let me give you some questions. Why can't I teach them middle term and then I will start question sessions? I think I should give you first middle term, because 2015 they have asked middle term question. Now beta, understand. When an AP sequence is given to you, general term is 6 plus 10. Absolutely correct beta. Now focus here. Correct only. But beta, first for that we need to see something. Like when exactly a sequence is given to you. When a sequence is given to you, you don't know the sequence is exactly odd or even. You don't know the sequence is odd or even. Means here the number of terms in the sequence. Total number of terms. So just understand this one beta. Total number of terms. Total number of terms. Total number of terms. Total number of terms is exactly n. N is odd or n is even. So when n will be odd, then middle term formula will be, if n is odd, means total number of terms are coming odd, total number of terms are coming odd, total number of terms are odd, then what will happen beta? If total number of terms are coming odd, then middle term formula is absolutely correct only beta. Middle term formula will be n plus 1 by 2th term will give you the middle term. Okay, but if n will be even, just don't means if it is not coming in your brain beta, don't fight with it. Don't resist it, because beta we will solve that many questions now, you will be able to understand. So right now what I am wanting from you, just let it be easy and then understand it beta. Okay, so that means if number of terms is coming even, then there will be two middle terms. One middle term will be n by 2 and then n by 2 plus 1. So these two terms will be middle terms. Okay, when n will be even, then two terms will be coming middle term, n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1 term. But if n will be odd, then n plus 1 by 2 term will give you the even. That means that term will be there. Now, how to trust auntie has written correct answer. So here, look here beta. One time, I just want you to understand by an example that right now what you have seen is just a type of concrete formula. But this concrete formula should be inside your brain. How to feed it inside your brain? Just leave it on me. Don't think that I have given you any formula. Don't think that I have given you any formula. Sir, this formula is 100% correct beta, but here middle term will be exactly different. So look here beta, just everyone focus. Don't think that auntie has given any formula. Now we will derive formula by seeing example. So now let's see one example. We are exactly getting 2, 4. Just see this part. Everyone now focus in this question beta, that how auntie is solving and finding the middle term. Answer is here only. In example, if I will solve an example, it will help you to exactly get the correct part. Just listen to me, just check one time beta. Now 2 is there, 4 is there, 6 is there, 8 is there, till 260. Fine. So one sequence is given to you. Then they will tell, find the middle term. What is the middle term? Okay. Now they will directly give you a sequence and they will tell you find the middle term. For finding the middle term, first work is beta, find A. A is 2. Common difference is 4 minus 2, 2. Now beta, what is the last term here? What is the last term? To get number of terms, what is n? N is number of terms, beta. Then here, what is the last term? 220. That means, beta, the last term or the nth term given here is 220. Means the last term value given is 260, sorry. The last term value given is 260. That means what, beta? When I went from a sequence, I went in a sequence, the last one value is given 260. We don't know which term it is. We don't know which is which term, 100th term or 200th term. We don't know it is which term. So first we have to find that term. So we will write the general term formula. What is that? A plus n minus 1 into d. And then, beta, this value is already given. An is given, that is 260. Okay, and then here 2 is there, plus n minus 1 into 2. So 260 minus 2 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. That means what, beta? 10 minus 2 is coming 8, 258. Now, beta, 2 will shift down, it is coming n minus 1. So here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. So n is coming what, beta? N is coming what? Just one time listen to me, you will 100% be able to do it, beta. Then 129 plus 1, so it is coming as 130. So, beta, is it even number or odd number? N is what? N is total number of terms. You see here, n is total number of terms. You start from here, beta. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Then what will be at what times? 260. You divide 260 by 2. How much it is coming? 130. That means total terms are 130. Here also by AP we have got total terms. What is the total term coming here, beta? Here total term is coming 130. Now, beta, is 130 odd or even? 130 odd or even? Very good. Very good. Middle term total, it is even. So I told you when n is even, then two formulas will be there. N by 2th term. So there will be two middle terms. One will be n by 2th term and one by n by 2th plus 1 term. So that means 130 divided by 2th term and 130 by 2 plus 1th term will become the middle term. So here 2 6 are 12, 65, 65th term. 65th term and 66th term will be the middle terms, will be the middle terms. Absolutely correct, beta, absolutely correct. 65th term and 66th term. Beta, what you have to do now, everyone, Janani, Kardiga, Kamya, everyone just listen this part very nicely, beta. Everyone focus here, 66th term and 65th term. Now, beta, focus should be there in this part. So if any sequence is coming 2 4 6 like this, now, beta, they are telling that find the middle term. Then one thing they will do, they will always give you the last term. That last term you write it as an. That means you take it as, okay, it is the nth term. Last term you take it as an, and then from there, beta, you have to find n. If n is coming even, that means there will be two middle terms. If n is coming even, so after solving you got n as even, that means how many total terms are there? Total 130 terms are there. Now 130 is even, then beta, middle term will be coming n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. Then there will be two middle terms. When n will be even, then how many middle terms will be there? Two even middle terms will be there. So one term will be coming for 65, one term will be coming for 66. So what are the middle terms? A65. A65 means 2 plus 65 minus 1 into 2. That is 2 plus 64 into 2. That is A is equal to 2 plus 2 4 8, 2 6 12, 120, 130 is the middle term. Correct only na, 130 is the middle term. So first middle term will be 130, beta. Second middle term A66 will be exactly 132. Common difference after 65, 66 is coming, so it will come, beta, 132. Absolutely. For finding what you are telling beta. Now let me see, if it is even number we should apply even term formula or both we should. Beta look here, here both formula you have to apply. Here two middle terms, that is what I am telling beta, that when n is coming even, then there will not be one middle term, there will be two middle terms. And how you are finding? N by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term, and that is beta, that is you 65th and 66th term is coming, and 65th and 66th term whatever you are writing, 130 will be coming. Beta, understood this part? Everyone understood or not? Tell me. I will give you one more question like this so that you can understand this part. Come on. Did you understood this section? Tell me beta. Did you understood this section? How to go for it? Okay. Everyone understood or not? Quickly say beta. I am going to quickly give you one question of 2015. First what you have to do here beta. If someone will tell you to find middle term, first you will take the last term as nth term, and then beta you have to find n from here. You have to find n from here. How you will be understanding? Let's okay, very good beta, very good. Krishna Kumar, okay. I think you might have understood this part beta. So now what you have to do here is, every time when these type of question is coming beta, focus should be in getting the n value. If n is coming even, then there will be two middle terms. If n is even, then two middle terms, and if n is odd, then one middle term. So let's see one more question. Okay, Nitesh, no problem beta. Okay, no problem. Now Nitesh, look here. Everyone pay attention here. Everyone pay attention and try and solve this question. 3, 6, 9. Now solve it beta. Solve this. Find the middle term of it. Try this on your own beta. Find the middle term of it. Let's see what answer will come. Try this question. Everyone try this question. Beta, these type of questions, none of a single question you are going to leave. None of a single question. Okay. Try this question out beta. What is A here? A is 3. What is B here? B is 3. What is last term here? 3, 3, 3. This part is very important because it will give you n. Use this and solve beta. Try this question out. Try this question out. You will 100% be able to do this one beta. 36 is coming. Saran is telling 111. N is coming odd number. Odd number is coming beta. So odd number means 112, 2, 5, 10, 2, 6. 56 term is the odd term. Super. Fabulous piece of work, sir. Now look here beta. I think now you are ready. Now an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Tawfiq understood beta? Tawfiq, everyone understood? Shri Bhavani, Nandini, everyone understood? Quickly say beta. This part how to do? An is exactly the last term value. So here it is coming 3, 3, 3. A is 3, n minus 1 into 3. So first this 3 will shift this side beta. 3, 3, 3 minus 3 equal to n minus 1 into 3. So now beta here coming 330 by 3 is equal to n minus 1. So it is coming 110. So 100% beta n minus 1 is 110. So n is equal to 111. It is odd. The moment it is coming odd for us, what we are going to do? The moment it is coming odd for us, correct only beta, 56 term. The moment it is coming odd for us, now beta we have to directly implement the formula, and that is odd term means middle term equal to middle term equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. That is what 111 plus 1 by 2 term. So here it is coming 112 by 2. So here it is coming 56th term. So 56th term. It will come which term beta? It will come 56th term. So if it is coming 56th term, now let's find 56th term. 56th term will be what? A plus 56 minus 1 into D. A is what beta? 3 and 55 into 3. After that you have to find that term also. 3, 5, 15, 3, 5, 15, 1, 165. That means beta 168. 168, absolutely correct beta, 168 will be coming. 56th term and then you have to find that term also. So it is coming 168. I think my children are now ready to find this 2015 question. 2015 question. Ready everyone? Ready? Now you have understood anything beta? Did you understood anything how to solve these type of questions? Understood anything how to handle this type of questions? Any idea you gained beta? Of course, very good Rahul. Thank you so much beta. Understood now? Everyone understood? Kamya, everyone tell me beta, understood? Understood or not beta? Understood? Okay. Next question, shall I give one question now? Ready everyone? Very good, super, super. Now look here beta, question given in 2015. CBSE 2015, they told that a sequence is there, 6 is there, then 13 is there, then 20 is there, till last term is 216. And they are telling find the middle term. Find the middle term. Now let's see beta, find the middle term. Let's see how fast you are going to kill this problem. Very good Mohan, God bless you beta. Crystal clear. Thank you Rahul. Super beta. Saran, 3 into minus 3 will not come Saran. Look here beta. When you are writing na Saran, that is 56 term na beta. A 56 will be equal to A plus 56 minus 1 into D. Then beta it will come 56 minus 1, 55 into D. A is what beta? A is 3 and then 55 into 3. If you are multiplying 3 then 56 into 3 minus 3 will come beta. Then it is coming 3, 5, 15, 3, 5, 15, 165. That is 168 beta. Sixteenth term is coming, then find the value beta. Jenny, find the value. 16th term value, find Janani. Let's see beta. Let's see. So first, A is 6. Common difference is 13 minus 6 is 7. Now beta, AN. Last term is 216. Now beta, formula is AN is equal to general term. Just use general term. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So what is AN? AN is 216 equal to 6 plus N minus 1 into 7. So beta, 216 minus 6 is equal to N minus 1 into 7 beta. So here it is coming 210 by 7 equal to N minus 1. It is coming 37, 3s are 21, 30. So here N will be coming 31, which is odd. So here middle term will be equal to, middle term will be equal to 31 plus 1 by 2 term. That means 32 by 2th term. Absolutely correct beta. That is, it is coming as 16th term. 16th term. Now beta, what is the value of 16th term? Value of 16th term, A16 is equal to A plus 16 minus 1 into D. A 16 minus 1 into D. So but what is A beta? A is 6. 15 into 7. 35, 105, so 111. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. 16th term value is 111. It's a victory moment for me. because you have exactly done what takes time to get, and you have exactly understood it in a very simple, very fast. Super beta, super, very good. God bless you all. So Tawfiq, everyone quickly say beta, you understood this part. Please repeat, please say me, you have understood or not. Beta, anyone please say. Everyone understood or not? Quickly say beta. Rahul got first. Super. Very good. So everyone tell me beta, you understood this part? Very good. So now beta, you will be able to solve these type of questions. May I trust you all that when these type of questions will be coming, you will be able to solve these type of questions? Yes, very good. Super beta. So I just want all of you beta, कि whenever these type of questions will be there, you will be solving it in a very smooth way. No here, no there. Okay, very good. Now beta, next question. Next pattern question. Question is, now beta, pattern by pattern question. So middle term one pattern is there. This pattern you have gripped. Now they are telling you term finding question. Means you have to find n. So first they will be asking, determine which term of the sequence, very good, super beta, understood. Thank you Tawfiq, God bless you beta. Which term of the sequence -1, 3, 7, 11 and so on is 95? Try this question out beta. Which term? They have given this 95 value. They told that okay, -1, -3, -7 is a sequence going on and its value given is 95. You have to identify the term. Then what we have to do here beta? See, when they will be giving you a sequence and they will be asking you that find the term, at that point what we are going to do here beta? So first we will write a equal to -1 beta. So first we have written a as -1. Then what is the common difference beta? What is the common difference? A is coming as -1. Common difference will come 3 minus of -1. So common difference is coming 3 plus 1, that is 4. Now beta, they are telling that one term is there, its value is 95. Now you have to tell me which term this value is 95. That means again general formula is going to help us beta. So this nth term formula is exactly going to always help us. That means okay, let us consider that nth term value is 95. Then they are asking number term, which particular term this 95 is coming. So here 95 equal to -1 plus n minus 1 into common difference 4. So 95 plus 1 equal to n minus 1 into 4 beta. That is n 96 is equal to n minus 1 by 4. Now here 4 2s are 8 and 4 4s are 16 equal to n minus 1. So n equal to 24 plus 1. So exactly 25th term. So 25th term, which term have value 95? 25th term. So A25 term value is 95. A25th term value is 95. So if somebody will be telling us this, are we going to trust that person? Because beta, first thing is that until and unless we will not see that we have done our work correct, how can we trust ourselves itself? Because at the time of solving math, sometimes we make mistakes. So definitely beta, what we have done first in the question pattern, they told that any term value given is 95. You have to tell that which term it is. So whenever they will be asking specific term, that means they are asking n. Okay. So an is equal to 95, and then with the help of that beta we got, okay, it is 25th term, but and 25th term value is 95 according to the question. But are we trusting that 95 answer is correct? So let's see. A25 is A plus 24D. What is A? A is minus 1 plus 24 into 4. So here A is minus 1. So here minus 1 plus 4, 4, 16, 4 to 8, 1, 9, 96. It is coming 95. Understood or not? So beta, basically when these type of questions will be coming, then 95 you are going to take. Whenever the sequence will be there, an will be exactly coming, an will be taken as 95. See what? See this part, and then you have to find n. What happened beta? Understood this section? Quickly tell me beta, understood this part? Understood this section, that how to solve these type of questions? Very good. Super. Very good. Super beta. Super. So I think you have to just first understand how to solve these type of questions, and once you will have the grip, nobody can stop you. This is my promise. Same question. Let's see how much time you are going to take to solve. Which term of the sequence 4, 9, 14 and so on is 124? Same pattern question beta. Try this question out. Which term of the sequence 4, 9, 14? Renu, good morning Renu. Ajay, good morning. Arif, good morning. Super. What a speed. How you can do this much fast? So A is exactly coming 4. Common difference is coming 5. That is 9 minus 4 is 5. Then beta an is nothing but 124. So 124 is equal to 4 plus, that is, I am also doing like you. I have to write first. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, and an is 124 given beta. Then what is A? A is 4. N minus 1 into D is 5. Now beta, what it will come? 124 minus 4 equal to n minus 1 into 5. So beta, 120 by 5 is equal to n minus 1. So 5 2s are 10 for 24. So here n minus 1 is equal to 24. So n is exactly equal to 25. Absolutely magical. Super. Very good. Super. Fabulous piece of work. Again the same answer. Super. So who has given the answer first? This time Kame has given the answer first. Super. So now beta, I think you are in that situation where you can handle middle term also, and you can handle term, means which particular term you can ask. Now let's increase some difficulty level of the question. This question came in CBSE 2006. CBSE 2006 question beta, and they are asking in the question, for what value of n are the nth terms of the following two APs are the same. Okay, now first one is beta 1, 7, 13, 19 and so on. Second AP 69, 68, 67 and so on. Okay, I'm just moving. Okay. I'm going to send bit after class. I'm going to send Praveen. After this bit, I'm going to send today's timing. I have to see some work today is there. After this, I'm going to send in your group beta. Thank you for reminding me. I just forgot. Come here, try this question beta. For what values of n are the nth term of the following two APs the same? That means nth term of this AP and nth term of this AP. Both are same beta. So first separately handle beta. Separately handle both. And this question came in CBSE 2006. This question came in CBSE 2006. Now first work is beta, first handle first AP. So first one AP is 1, 7, 13, 19. So A is exactly 1. Common difference is coming 7 minus 1, 6. So what will be nth term? Nth term for this will be A plus n minus 1 into D. So here an is equal to 1 plus n minus 1 into 6. So 1 plus 6n minus 6. So this one is coming 6n minus 5 equal to an. This is first one. Take this equation 1. After that beta second one. Second sequence is 69, 68, 67 and so on. So first term is 69. Common difference is 68 minus 69, that is minus 1. Then what will be its nth term? Nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. An is equal to A is 69 plus n minus 1 into minus 1. So this one will become 69 minus n plus 1. So 70 minus n is there. This is equation 2. So it is given that nth term of both APs are same. That means equation 1 is equal to equation 2. Yes or no beta? It is already given that nth term. Until now I am getting this question. Now are you understanding beta? That means what beta? Separately they are telling that if you will see the question, you read out the question, for what value of n are the nth term of two APs are same. So nth term is same. So beta, what is the nth term? Nth term is an. Here you got an as. Here you got an as what beta? Here you got an as. Nth term is exactly coming as 6n minus 5. And here you got getting an as an is exactly equal to 70 minus n, and both are equal they told. That means 6n minus 5 will be equal to 70 minus n. Shift this one that side beta. So here it is coming 6n plus n is equal to 70 plus 5. Minus n plus 70. Aha, correct only. Minus n plus 70 is coming beta, but I think okay. So here the answer is coming n is equal to 75 by 7. So there is no such term. Term cannot come in fraction. So here answer you will write, since n is coming in fraction, so there is no common term between the APs. I hope my children might have understood. Jenny, I think I gave the answer and deleted. You gave, that is what beta. And 75, you know what beta, 75 by 7. How can a term will become fraction? A term can never come in fraction. That means there is no two values of AP which is exactly going to be same. No two values of an AP which is exactly going to be same. So since the moment you will be getting fraction means a term can never be in fraction. A term can be either odd or even, but a term can never come in fraction. Children, you have to understand this part. A term can never come fraction. So this was the biggest trick they have played with us. In 2006, think about the Pawam children, those who might have went to this question and they directly might have got n is equal to 75 by 7. They might have told that okay, 75 by 7 is the term which is exactly common between them. But is this the answer beta? Are we going to satisfy by this answer? Because beta, term can never come in fraction. So there is no common term between APs. There is no common term. And beta, if somebody might have written till this much and thought that this is the answer, then think about beta subtraction of -1 in that case. So definitely it is correct only, Janani, because n can never come in fraction. Beta, you have to understand some things in your brain you have to feed. How can term will become? Because beta, first term, second term, third term. Have you ever heard 2.5 term? No, no, because after second term, third term is coming. Have you ever heard 3.5 term? No. 3.25 term? No. Because the terms are beta exactly, it is discrete. Terms are coming always positive, like 5th term, 6th term, 7th term. So here specifically term is coming as fraction, which is exactly impossible, and it is only indicating towards one situation, and that situation beta here is that they do not have any common value. They do not have any common value in between them. So the moment n started coming fraction, yes beta. Yes, I am going to repeat. Beta. See, look here. They are telling that, just Sudarshan, everyone, 2006, if someone might have written the exam beta, definitely that person might have cried because of the last part. The reason is only once. Look here. They told that, okay, see, term common. They are exactly asking here which term is common between these two terms. Means which particular term is common. So here if somebody will tell you 2, 4, 6, 8 is there and 10 is there and 3, 6, 9 is there, then which term is common between this? You will say, auntie, here is 6, here is 6. Exactly, they are telling here the same thing. Okay, two different APs are there. Two different APs are there. Now you have to find which terms are common in that. Which terms are common. So I told you, two different sequences there. There we saw that 6 and 6 is common. So here also they are planning to ask us that, okay, which terms are coming common, which terms. So definitely beta, first what we did, we got an. We said that, okay, if it is same, then nth term of first AP and nth term of second AP will be equal, because they are telling for what values. You see here in the question, for what value of n the terms are exactly equal. So what we have seen, okay, to find n, the nth term for both the sequence will come equal to each other. And after beta, Sudarshan, now understanding or not beta? Sudarshan, now understanding or not beta? That means what they are exactly asking the common numbers beta. Two APs are given and they are asking which numbers are exactly common in between them, and that numbers will be common. That means specific term will be there. Like here you see, if they will be telling here that 3, 6, 9 is there and beta 2, 4, 6 is there, then definitely beta here 6 and 6 is common. So for this second term 6 and for this third term 6, they both are common to each other. Then they are telling that, okay, like this two sequence they have given, and they told that, okay, for what value of n, which term will give the same value. Which term will give the same value? So we have written, okay, n is exactly equal to this, n is exactly equal to this. Let us take the general terms are equal. Why? So that we can get n. The moment we got n beta, we are seeing it is coming in fraction, and coming in fraction means beta, no, not possible. How can terms will become equal? So they have written like that. I hope you might have understood this part beta. Now anyone having confusion? Anyone having confusion in this beta? All of you, you know what the best part is? The best part is Kamya. Everyone, Kamya understood beta? That is what beta. The moment fraction will come, terms will never be having fraction. Just feed in your brain that they told that okay, nth term are equal. But after getting the nth term equal, what I am finding here is n is coming in fraction. And the moment m is coming in fraction means there is no common number between these two APs. Just write beta. I want you to write the final statement. -1 loss is a very big loss. We will write like this and you will see that n is equal to 75 by 7 is the term where both are exactly having same value. That means here itself ready to kill. From here massive 1 mark reduction will be there. So beta, I really don't want my children to have this reduction. So beta, tomorrow again we will be solving AP, some very typical question. I'm not joking, you know what Akshay, this is happening beta, this is happening. Sometimes at the time of correcting paper now beta, I'm also feeling like Pavam, this much has written, and after sometimes some children are getting confused in the paper, and that time I feel like my heart is coming out. Means I don't want to cut marks because I know you have done this much, but where concept like this will be coming and I will not be cutting marks, then definitely next time you will do the same mistake again. 0 no Mustafa, only you know what beta, this section only less mark will be there. You will be getting, if 3 mark question is there, then 2 will be getting, but loss of 1 is a very big deal beta. Specifically correct only Kamya. So in this we should find common. Common means n you find, n find. Don't find common, you only find n beta. The moment n is coming in fraction, just say that no common, because if you will sit and start finding common, that time you will waste time beta. But in question paper, many questions will be there like this, which will be quite tricky. So definitely you have to have time management for all the questions beta. Okay, so tomorrow I'll give you some more twisted questions. Let's see how you are going to handle it. Bye.